Dearest heart, when times are difficult, try to remain positive because difficult times don't last forever. They will eventually pass. Keep the faith that a better and more amazing life is just ahead of you. You are far stronger than you give yourself credit for. Type yes if you needed this. Stop doubting yourself. To reach your full potential, you really have to believe in yourself and what you bring to the table. You are more powerful and amazing than you know. Value yourself more. Type yes if you needed this. Take control of your life and embrace the journey. Let go and don't fear what the future holds. What is meant for you will find you. Trust your intuition. You have everything within you to succeed. You have got this. Type yes if you also needed this and also subscribe